Madison. I'm here in Disney World and I'm so excited. I have been taking pictures of me like on the way and stuff and posting it on Pop Jam. So if you don't follow me, on Pop Jam at capital M, capital K, C-R-A-F-T-S, MK Crafts. So you can follow me there. I have been posting pictures of me on the way to Orlando and down to Jacksonville from my house. So anyway, I'm in Animal Kingdom and we just rode Primeval Whirl. I have a video of that for you guys. And we've also rode in the Kilimanjaro Safaris that I have pictures from, and dinosaurs. Also for our first one, so I didn't film, and I also needed to take pictures of them. But that was my first one I did, and I have many more to do. So I will keep you guys updated on our next couple of rides and different parks. So tomorrow we're going to Epcot during the evening, and I'll do some vlogging during the day while we're at the hotel. And then we're going to be going to Magic Kingdom the whole day Tuesday. Today is Sunday, Mickey's birthday. So love you, Mickey. I have my thing on. Bye. She's going up. Someone actually shows their face in these kind of things. They always show the thing. Claire Taylor is on Primeval Whirl. Claire Taylor is screaming on Primeval Whirl.
This is a how-to video. It is scream on Primeval Whirl.
Whoa! Okay. This is more like more jerky. This is more jerky than the other one. Okay, we're gonna drop. Oh, here comes my favorite.
Here's another drop.
My favorite part.
My favorite part is when you spin around and go back.
Yeah, here we go. So it's really spinning to the whole outfit, guys. We don't like something like that. But I have closed my eyes in this part.
I love it. Can I close your eyes?
It helps me like not go crazy. So it really goes going crazy, and then we get down here a little bit. We're not spinning that much.
My hair is
We're not spinning like at all. We're just going normally.
Now
now we're spinning.
Jeez, now we're just getting killed.
Woo!
I feel like this time it's just sabotaging.
Oh my gosh!
And we went sideways.
We went sideways. That was not. Oh my
I hit my head on the wall.
No, you hit my head.
No, you bumped in this side, and then I hit this side onto this.
I bumped this side, guys.
You bumped one side. I got both my heads. I was like squashed in a head sandwich.
Okay, guys, that was Primeval Whirl. Like this video if you like this ride, because I love it. See you guys in the next ride.
Dinosaur
Oh,
hair.
I like this one. next day, and this is our day, which we're going to stay at the hotel for the rest of the day and go to Epcot later. I just got a shower, so I'm kind of wet and weird looking, but my hair does not look good after a shower, so don't mind me. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the notification bell for you to be notified and never get a new video out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a little bit of Epcot and maybe some vlogs around the hotel. I love you guys. Bye. And I'm going to start doing shout-outs too. And today's shout-out goes to my mother. It should be Melissa Gross. Thank you so much for commenting and liking and doing all that good stuff. So, yeah. And also, if you want to follow me, you can follow me on PopJam. That's capital M, capital K, CRAFTS. I already told you that, guys, but yeah. Bye.